Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're on the hunt for a flawless, matte finish that stays put all day long, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be giving you my honest review of a product that promises just that, the Tarte Face Tape Pressed Powder. Tarte has been a staple in the beauty industry, known for their high-quality formulas, and this pressed powder is no exception. It's designed to provide a matte finish with a color option that's ideal for light to medium skin tones, especially those with a balance of warm and cool undertones. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. This pressed powder comes in a sleek, compact design that's easy to carry around for quick touch-ups throughout the day. The shade I'm reviewing is 29N Light Medium Neutral, which is perfect for my skin tone with a neutral undertone, giving me that natural, even look. The formula is buildable, meaning you can apply a light dusting for a soft, matte finish, or layer it up for more coverage when you need it. As for the finish, it's definitely matte, and it does a fantastic job of blurring imperfections while controlling oil, which is a huge win if you're someone with oily or combination skin. But what really impressed me about this powder is how lightweight it feels. It doesn't feel heavy or cakey on the skin, which is something I look for in a pressed powder. I've used it both on bare skin and over foundation, and it blends seamlessly each time. It also didn't cling to dry patches, which can sometimes be a concern with matte powders. Now, how did it perform in real-world situations? Well, I used it throughout the day in various conditions, during my morning skincare routine, through meetings, and even after a workout. What I found was impressive longevity. The powder held up well against sweat and didn't fade or settle into fine lines. By the end of the day, my skin still looked fresh, and I wasn't left with that dreaded shine. As for the texture, it's incredibly smooth and finely milled, which makes it easy to apply evenly. The matte finish is really nice, and it doesn't leave any powdery residue, which can sometimes happen with pressed powders. Of course, no product is perfect. One downside I noticed is the shade range. While this powder is great for light to medium skin tones, I'd love to see more shades to cater to deeper skin tones. Additionally, the compact doesn't come with a mirror, which for me is a bit of a letdown, especially considering how much I travel with products like these. As for the price, it's certainly on the higher end, but given the quality, I do think it's justified. The formula is top-notch and the results are impressive, so if you're willing to splurge, it's definitely worth it. However, if you're on a budget, there are alternatives out there that provide similar results for a fraction of the price. If you're looking for something comparable, you might want to check out the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Powder. It offers a similar finish and performance, but at a more affordable price point. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Tarte Face Tape Pressed Powder. It provides a flawless, matte finish that lasts all day, controls oil, and doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It's perfect for those who want that smooth, airbrushed look without the cakey texture. If you're ready to give it a try, you can find the link to purchase in the description below. And if you've already used this product, drop a comment. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this review too. Your support helps us keep creating honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.